Hi friends, welcome to All About Home. Wish you all a very happy new year. Today we are going to see a yummy fruit cake. Let's start. First we start with soaking the dry fruits. In a bowl, add half cup chopped dates, half cup dark raisins, half cup golden raisins, 1 cup tutti frutti, 1 cup candied cherries, and mix together. You can add any dry fruits you want. To that add 2 cup of grape juice and soak this overnight. Now for the cake, in a stand mixer add 1 cup butter and beat well. To that add 1 cup of light brown sugar. Beat after each addition. Now add 3 eggs one by one. Teaspoon of vanilla extract. For the dry ingredient, take a bowl, add 2½ cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon baking soda and quarter teaspoon salt, half teaspoon cinnamon powder, half teaspoon nutmeg powder, and mix well. Now take 1½ cup of grape juice, which is drained from the soaked dry fruits, and the dry ingredients. Add in 2 to 3 batches. Now add the soaked dry fruits. And half cup cashew nut and mix well. Take a 9-inch round pan and spray with some cooking butter. And add some parchment paper. Now add the batter and level it. You can decorate with some cherries and cashews like this or leave it plain. Preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit and bake for 1 hour and 40 minutes. Cooking time differs for each oven, so check in between. Insert a toothpick to check whether the cake is done. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell. Thank you.